Hello everyone, in today's video, I will demonstrate the process of making Instagram accounts private. If you wish to privatize your Instagram account, please follow these steps. Open the Instagram application and click on your profile menu. Click on the three lines at the top right corner and navigate to your settings. Scroll down and click on Account Privacy. Turn on Private Account and confirm the change by clicking on Switch to Private. Your account will now be private. Please refer to the provided information for further details. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe.